today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase Safemoon V2. Alright, let's get started. Alright, first off, you guys are going to want to go ahead and download the Trust Wallet on your guys' mobile device. Once you guys have done that, you guys are going to want to go on your guys' web browser. Once you guys have gone to the web browser, we're going to go ahead and type in this website. Go ahead and type in the website called CoinGecko. Once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and click on the search bar. And you guys are going to go ahead and type in Safemoon. As you guys can see, there's two versions of Safemoon, an older version and then a V2 version. As you guys can see, the Safemoon already has a little caption on the side which says old, and then the Safemoon, it just says Safemoon. So we're going to go ahead and click on the one that just says Safemoon. Alright, so this website called CoinGecko, it's basically a website that tells you the statistics of a cryptocurrency and how it's been doing in the past. Like, for example, how it's been doing in the past 3 months, 2 months, after the past 7 days, or even up to the past hour, right? So once we're on this website, we're gonna go ahead and scroll back up, and we're gonna go ahead and click where it says Show Info. On the right under where it says Info, it's gonna say Contract. You guys are gonna go on your guys' right, and you guys can see 2 boxes right next to the little wolf. We're gonna go ahead and click on that. It's basically copying the coin address onto your guys' mobile device. After you guys do that, we're gonna go ahead and open another tab and go on, and then you guys are gonna want to go on this other site called PancakeSwap. Once we do this, we're going to go ahead and click on the top right corner, right where it says Connect Wallet. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And it's going to give you 3 options. It's going to say Wallet Connect, MetaMask, and Trust Wallet. Even though we're going to be using our Trust Wallet, we're going to go ahead and click on Wallet Connect first. Once you guys have done that, we're going to go ahead and click on the little Trust icon. So go ahead and click on Trust, and it's going to go ahead and it's going to open our Trust Wallet. It's basically we're going to go ahead and click connect. It's basically us giving it permission to the website to go ahead and connect our wallet. So we're going to go ahead and click on connect. Then we're going to go ahead and go back to the website. Once that has been done, you guys can see on the top right corner, there's going to be like a little wallet, and it's going to have a little scroll down button. If you guys click on that and it says disconnect, that's another indicator saying that your guys' wallet has been connected. Alright, so on the bottom, you're just going to see 4 icons. It's going to say trade, earn, win an NFT. We're going to go ahead and click on the little trade icon. Trade icon. Alright, so this is going to take us to this page. First off, you guys are going to want to make sure you guys set up right where it has the little settings icon. We're going to go ahead and click on that. It's going to give us a slippage tolerance. So it's basically an exchange rate on how much it's going to charge us to do the transaction. So we're going to go ahead and set it up at 12. So I had mine set up at 12 already. And then you guys can see that it says BNB and then cake. Our BNB on the top one, it's basically the balance connected to my wallet, which is the currency we're going to be using to convert BNB, which is also the Binance chain currency. And we're going to go ahead and convert some of that into the Safemoon. So right where it says cake, we're going to go ahead and click on that. And we're going to go ahead and click on paste. You guys are going to want to go ahead and click on that where it says SFM. Go ahead and click on that. I can go ahead and click on max, but since I have a low balance of BNB just for this video example, I'm going to go ahead and type it in manually. So let's say I have 0.004. So let's say I'm going to go ahead and type in 0.002. Let me erase that 0. And as you guys can see, that basically buys me about 333 Safemoon. So I'm going to go ahead and click on swap. Once you guys have done that, make sure you guys' slippage tolerance is set at 12. If once that's done and you guys enter the amount of BNB you guys want to go ahead and convert, go ahead and click on swap, confirm swap. The price has been updated, and go ahead and confirm swap. It's gonna go ahead and take you guys to your guys' mobile app. Since I already own Smart Chain, first off, before I continue, I don't have enough BNB on my account, so I'm not going to purchase it. And another thing is I already own it. But let's say if I wanted to purchase it, instead of saying top up Smart Chain, it would say go ahead and confirm. Once I click confirm, it would just bring me back to this page, and you guys will not be able to see it. So what you guys would have to do in order to view your guys' token on your guys' device, you guys would have to click on the top right corner on those 2 little knobs. We're going to go ahead and click on it, and then on the search bar, you're just going to want to go ahead and type in Safemoon. Alright, so Safemoon appears. As you guys can see, there's 2 Safemoons. One that says Safemoon, and then there's one that says Safemoon V2. That's the one you guys are going to want to go ahead and toggle on. As you guys can see, I have mine toggled off, but let's say I'm going to leave it toggled on. I'm going to scroll down. As you guys can see, I have this Safemoon, which is the older Safemoon, the version 1, which stands for V1 version 1. And then there's the V2, which stands for the version 2. I'm going to try to find it. And yeah, as you guys can see, it shows I have a balance of 148 Safemoon. It's not much, but I plan on purchasing more in the future. This video, It's just for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. I hope this video was helpful in any type of way. And if you guys have any questions or concerns, you guys can go ahead and leave them down in the comments. This is a new YouTube channel, and I plan on trying to post more videos in the future. And yeah, I hope this video was useful, and I hope you guys have a good one. All right.